Yo, what's up, y'all? This is the DMV Computer Man. We just partnered with Wish Local. They just sent us 2 boxes of products that people will be able to come in and pick up. So this is a great opportunity for business owners. If you got your own storefront and you're looking at drawing more traffic, this is supposed to be the way. So we're gonna see. We're just getting these boxes, so we don't know what's in them. We're gonna take a look at them together. Y'all come on in and take a look. Be right with you. What we got here? I'm gonna pull up the app, Jay. You read this off. So what they do is they send us this stuff in these boxes. We have 2 boxes here. I open one up. Looks like we got some beanie caps with LED lights on them. 6 of those. And then they want me to open up the Wish Local app and scan these products in. So let's see if our shit's supposed to work. Let's see how it goes. What you got over there, Jay?
Electronic luggage scale.
What the fuck do we scan? We scan this shit?
Yeah.
I'm sure Wish Logo wouldn't want you cussing so much. Just for the record.
Yeah.
Fuck Wish Logo.
You bastards.
They're fucking with the DMV fucking computer, man. This shit ain't working, man. Scam.
Oh, that ain't a QR code.
I need to open this shit up?
I guess
Nah,
so.
you gotta find it.
Yeah, that's a barcode. Guess we do over these joints. QR.
Oh, am I supposed to scan the whole box?
Probably.
Oh, fuck.
Is the QR code on the box?
I don't know.
Oh, this shit is
Nope.
so confusing.
Is there a piece of
Here
paper?
it is! Here it is! So, like I said, yeah, I open up the packaging and everything. Somebody might have bought all 6 of those. Bad. Nope, barcode doesn't exist. Oh, it's for the products. Let's see. Here's one more time. Nope. So where's the QR codes on this shit? We got boots. I don't know what these are. Look like shoes.
Try this.
We got some spoons. Starting. Okay, this box we can go through. It lets me know everything that's in here. That's pretty dope. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit. So I guess we scanned our first shipment in. I don't know. It says, please confirm the quantity you received and upload a photo for reference for each product.
That's nuts.
So,
We already got photos of everything.
find your first item, Jay. What you got?
Smartphone car holder.
Smartphone card holders. I think this is it right here.
5 of them.
Shipped 5. Quantity received 5. Damn, this is some work. Fuck with Local. Now y'all want me to take a picture of this shit? There's your picture. Dickheads. Save.
This is annoying.
Alright, this was done. What else is next?
It's a heavy duty drill holder.
Heavy duty drill holder.
Why they send all this
My
random
nigga
ass
Rose
shit?
might want this.
Yeah.
And you, nigga, Mr.
Heavy
Home
duty
Depot.
drill holster, nigga. Read.
It's like a gun holster.
4 of them.
So what the fuck does a holster do besides hold shit?
Then they want us to take a picture of some fucking plastic. Here it is. Fuck, here's your bag of plastic shit.
You want a fanny pack for you?
For my niggas wearing those fanny packs, we got fanny packs on deck. Let's see. I don't even see this shit on the list. A tactical fanny belt, man. Come on, you gotta read this shit right. This is not a fanny pack. This is for niggas that carry knives around and shit. Like you. Like you.
I got a utility belt. I'm
Motherfucker.
Batman.
I'm betting.
This is what this is.
No,
It's 5 of them.
Joey big as shit.
Sure.
That Joey looks nowhere near as little as
Man,
the picture.
I don't know if they want us to open,
this
open
is
this
good.
shit.
This is good.
We're running through this shit, y'all.
This is dope. Got some 90-degree nylon USB cables.
Alright.
Let's
3 3 of those. They only gave us 3 though. Sons of bitches. Send the good shit. You need to send more of. God damn.
It's Jad Dizzo. Oh, we got some more whack ass vehicle mounts.
You got vehicle mounts.
How you doing, Luke?
Hey, how you doing?
Miss Victoria, how you doing?
Hey, Miss Victoria, how you doing, baby? I'm gonna take care of
Go ahead.
Miss Walter said we just going to.
Be on your website?
No, this shit does not go on my website.
Okay.
This is wish.com. We just
Hey, guys.
we just a pickup spot. We like an Amazon locker. If y'all know what that's like. Got the Amazon locker. What you got over there, buddy?
We got toilet lights.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
You don't have to turn the lights on at night, man. Just
Fit any toilet.
stick this in the
Make
ring.
your life colorful.
Alright, let me find these toilet lights.
That's funny, man.
Man, what's the real name for that shit, man?
That's
Read
what
it.
it says. 8 color toilet light.
I don't see that on my
8
list.
colors human motion.
Oh, there we
sensor.
go. Thank you. Thank
I
you.
need the exact.
They shipped us 4, right?
Yep.
Let me take a picture of that shit. Shitter lights.
Never hit the light switch when you walk in the bathroom again.
Just aim for the colors.
You ain't gotta aim. It's motion sensor.
Well, you gotta
Walk
whip
in there,
out.
pull your pants
You
down.
gotta whip it out. Just whip that thing out.
Ponytail ain't all choked up.
What is these big ass tongue rings? It's like a big ass tongue ring, don't it?
This nigga
Crazy.
retarded.
What the fuck thing in the middle?
This
Yeah.
bad.
What the fuck? These are stainless steel fried egg shapers.
Wow.
Who wants to shape a fried
Pancake.
egg?
You want a lucky?
Right. You want a flower shaped pancake? We got a pancake
Yeah.
stencil for you.
This is wish.com for you.
That's pretty crazy.
See how this shit goes, y'all. This is some wild shit they say.
If I find out you at home shaping your eggs, bruh,
Next we got dildos. What we got in this month?
What?
we ain't really got them.
Yeah, nah,
We ain't
relax.
really got them.
Nah. He's like, oh shit, we do.
Oh, these is tightened up.
More utility belts?
Blackhead, whitehead, pimple poppers.
That's a good look.
Pimple extractors.
Little thing with the loop.
I don't know if I'd put that on my face. It came from Wish.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah, it's a metal thing.
Yeah, it's some bullshit.
Nah, I'm alright. Here you go.
We got 5 of them.
It's like toenail clippers.
This shit is time consuming, Wish. What the fuck?
Right. If y'all knew what y'all sent us, why would we scan the box?
I guess
wasn't
because
it
they might-
already just registered?
Because the post office steals, my
Yeah,
nigga.
if somebody orders some shit from your store and you ain't got it, either you got to pay for it or they got to send it back because you never got it. So that's why. Somebody steals this $5 shit right here, y'all got to cover it.
I appreciate these two breaking it down. You see my face.
Alright, the pimple poppers just hit the site. What you got?
You like avocados?
If you like avocados,
Come on, dog. What?
we got the magic avocado.
What are y'all slicing?
Who you buying this shit, first of all? Like,
People with money, man. I'm telling you.
I ain't gonna front. I won't argue that at
People
all.
with nothing else to do.
Because when you got money,
You
do
just,
stupid
you
shit.
feel good when you spend that shit.
Mhm.
I'm telling you.
Mm-hmm.
You feel good when you spend that shit.
It definitely does.
5-piece unisex.
Like, nigga, you wanna see my new avocado cutter?
I don't really
Got
eat
this bitch
avocado.
off Wish.
But I ordered 3 of them just because.
Man, what you got, man? Cause it's still a long list of shit.
5-piece set unisex stainless steel.
We got it. 5
Filers,
What is it though?
What is this shit? Stainless steel ear pick spoons.
ear pick
Ear
spoons.
pick spoon.
Yeah, if you want to clean that wax out, we got the ear pick spoons.
What the fuck is that?
One time use only.
I've never heard of that in my life.
Disposables. It's like, no, these are reusables. This is nasty as fuck.
I've never heard of that in my life.
Stick it in your ear, dig the wax out,
What
rinse it
happens to
off. They stainless steel, you can rinse them
So
off.
it's like a.
No, it's an actual extractor.
That's-
Q-tips. They say you ain't
Yeah,
supposed to
pushes it in.
Yeah, it's just
Might as
compact.
well get an ear vacuum.
Right.
Might as well just irrigate your
Suck
nose.
your whole
Yeah,
fucking
candle, I
eardrum
can see
out.
Might as well
Wow.
just put the liquid shit in there. And let
All right, we've completed our first box. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what y'all think about this bullshit they just sent us. Actually, I think some of this shit is pretty cool. To be honest, I'm gonna give y'all my honest review. I think some of this shit is cool, some of this shit is whack. We'll see what sells on Wish and what people come to pick up. And we'll update you guys later. We'll also check in this other box because I'm pooped from checking in this shit. So yeah, y'all let us know.
I don't think none of that shit gonna sell. I think that shit is just sitting here, taking up space until we decide to end our membership with them. I do support y'all, though, I fuck with y'all, but
And that's a wrap, guys. That's
Hey,
a wrap.
You seen Wish before?
No, man.
you never seen the Wish
No.
Watch Out?
Wish shit be like.
I know, like Wish with the
This
kids,
is
the special.
This is
kids
like
that get,
Alibaba on crack, boy.
I thought it was like
We got AirPods.
what kind?
Is this recording?
Yeah.
Yes. These